Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are going to go over a little bit of copper cell maintenance here. And this is, look at this cathode, man. That stuff looks great. It's plating out. It's plating out real well. This started off with 126 grams and it feels like 1.5 pounds of copper's on that. You can see the bottom where we have a little bit more of that little dendrite growth, and the top is a little bit more solid, but I'm really going after the precious metals, which collected some of the slimes the other day and put it in boiling water to clean it up. So you're seeing some copper in that solution there, copper sulfate, dilute copper sulfate, and the silver slimes and precious metals right there. And you can also see it along the bottom here. I'll have to eventually decant it. The slimes fall to the bottom, the copper plates out on the cathode right here. And I want to go over this trap. So I'd taken a lemonade bottle and cut holes in it, turned it upside down to put the base in here as the anode basket, and let the slimes fall into that trap right there. There's a little bit of holes here to allow the ion circulation, but the slimes catch on the bottom. And let's go over some of the I had melted this, or smelted it. It was silfloss and copper, and you can see where the copper is being eroded away, but it's leaving the silver. And some of that silver does go in solution and eventually plates out on the copper plate, or cements out on the copper plate, and then falls into solution. And I don't know if you guys remember these, but these things are really getting dissolved away, and they're going to be gone. And then I'll add these bottom pieces that were in the crucible. That's where most of the precious metals are, where the silver and stuff are in the bottom. So I'll add that, but that's the copper cell maintenance. Follow me for more.